What's up, YouTube? Here we got some 20-inch wheels on some Vouges, the redline Vouges. As you can see, the chrome is out of there. These ain't too bad. These are that black chrome that was in style for a little while, but this was pretty bad. Oh, it's bad. And here's one that I've already been working on. I am gonna spray paint them black rattle can. The Rust-Oleum does wonders. Prepping it right now, getting all the chrome peel off and trying to smooth it as best as I can. Once we get that out the way, we're gonna tape it up and start spraying. It should come out pretty good. Little wheel restore on these bad boys. I got these also right here. I'm gonna be doing these next. They just want silver, back to the original. They are faded. Those would look cool on black also, but customer wants it back to silver. These we're gonna do black. Stay tuned. I'll post an after video or during video after this one. But yeah, that's what we got going on here at Big Beto 254 Customs. Like and subscribe. I'll be doing these next. Do those black also. Mount some tires on them. Some slow pro tires for the lower trucks. Stay tuned.